I'm in the zone, yeah. Yeah, stay prepared for the up and downs. Life is like a seesaw. Some say it's a bitch, man, I couldn't agree more. 1 minute you're on top, then you're in the ER. 1 minute she wants you, then she wants to see all I can do is take the good with the bad and keep on. Gotta work hard, gotta give the fans the mean songs. Give these programs more shit that they can sleep on. Give these biting cunts more shit that they can feast on. Money come and go out to life like a season. Sometimes without a reason, and it kinda seemed wrong when they took his life. Should've killed this dude, he's a fucking dick, right? Maybe get some insight from Jesus, Allah, Jehovah. Someone pray on Sunday, someone spend it hungover. Whether drunk or sober, hearts getting colder, roads getting warmer. Maybe this is karma, real. Feeling down, now I'm feeling great. Things can really flip around all you in the day. Until tomorrow. Day, I'm rich, next day I'm poor. Sitting on my bed, wonder why I bothered for. Until tomorrow, till tomorrow. Most people all talk, no action. Over that shit, numerated to a fraction. Have a little word war. Like it's worth more, tell you how to surf when they never touch the surfboard. This is Tiger Woods when they fucking even worse off. You get the urge, wanna go in, call them out, make them by all accounts. And what it all amounts to ain't shit. We're all the same shit, hit by the same whip as the person that you're arguing with. All the people that you're arguing about all remain rich. Say latest to this, try to focus on your own life. Then you see patience with the world, no rights. Make you grateful for what you have. You gotta make you wonder if you really are giving what you can. This is a trip, woke up, feeling down, now I'm feeling great. Things can really flip around all you in the day. Until tomorrow, till tomorrow. Payday, I'm rich, next day I'm poor. Sitting on my bed, wonder why I'm probably for. Until tomorrow, till tomorrow.
We all wake up and go, I ache, I'm not 18 anymore. You know, I'm spending my 30s now. But somebody's got the help. And if you haven't got your help, if you've got one leg, you just haven't got two legs in the city. And if you have lost both legs and both arms, just go, at least I'm not dead. I mean, I'd rather be dead.
Woke up feeling down, now I'm feeling great. Things can really flip around all the way until tomorrow, till tomorrow.